This immaculate home offers private and secure family living in popular Brightwater, close to the university, schools and the new hospital precinct. Beautifully maintained, the low-maintenance home comprises 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a large outdoor entertainment area and a drive-through double garage. Outside are terraced gardens, a veggie patch and established fruit trees. Great neighbours are a bonus. Brightwater's the ideal area to live, with Aldi now open at the shopping centre and the new Tavern overlooking the lake. These are highly motivated sellers, so call and arrange an inspection today.